Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate code reviews with GitLab, beginner guide step by step clearly. To automate code reviews with GitLab, begin by logging into your GitLab account. Navigate to the project repository you wish to configure. Click on the Settings tab in the left sidebar. Select General from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Merge Requests section. Enabled pipelines must succeed to ensure that only passing builds can be merged. Next, look for the Approvals section. Set the number of required approvals for merge requests to automate the review process. You may also assign specific users or groups as required approvers. After configuring approvals, go to the CI/CD section. In the Pipeline subsection, create a .gitlabci.yml file in the root of your repository. Define the stages and jobs for your CI pipeline in that file. For instance, start with a test stage to run your automated tests. Introduce a review job that checks the quality of the code. You can leverage tools like ESLint or Prettier for JavaScript, or CodeClimate for various languages. After setting up the pipeline, commit the changes to your repository. This will trigger the CI pipeline automatically for future merge requests. You can also set up merge request templates to standardize the review process. Go to the repository section and select Templates. From there, select Merge Request Templates and create a new template. Include sections for code review guidelines and checklist items. Once the template is created, it will be available for all future merge requests. To add further automation, consider using GitLab features like merge request discussions and labels. You can automate label assignments based on specific criteria, such as PR size or author. Additionally, integrating tools such as SonarQube can help further analyze code quality. Monitor the pipelines and merge requests to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Over time, adjust your CI/CD configurations based on team feedback and project needs. This will create a more efficient and automated code review process in your GitLab projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.